When it comes to brewing that perfect cup of coffee, nothing beats the experience of a French press. For coffee enthusiasts, a French press delivers bold, rich flavors that other brewing methods often dilute. If you're on the hunt for a coffee maker that combines style, durability, and excellent performance, this Kona French Press coffee press maker stands out as one of the best choices on the market today. With its reusable stainless steel filter, large comfortable handle, and protective black shell, the Kona French Press is designed to elevate your coffee brewing experience, whether you're at home, in the office, or on the go. Why choose the Kona French Press coffee maker? 1. Pure flavor extraction. The Kona French Press ensures that you get the purest and boldest coffee flavors from any coffee bean or loose leaf tea. By using a French press, you eliminate the use of paper filters, which often trap essential oils and mute the flavor profile. This coffee press excels at extracting every bit of flavor from your coffee grounds, leaving you with a cup that's full-bodied, aromatic, and completely satisfying. 2. Durable and attractive design. One of the standout features of the Kona French Press is its protective insulated outer shell. Not only does this shell add a sleek and modern look to your kitchen counter, but it also serves a practical purpose, protecting the borosilicate glass carafe from chips and cracks. The extra thick glass construction is resistant to thermal shock, ensuring that your coffee maker will last for years with proper care. Other French presses often have thin metal frames that can rust over time or fail to protect the glass carafe from daily wear and tear. The Kona French Press, however, is designed with longevity in mind, making it a smart investment for anyone who values durability and functionality. Number 3. Comfortable and easy-to-use handle. Brewing your coffee should be a relaxing experience, and the Kona French Press takes that to heart. Its large, ergonomically designed handle offers a comfortable grip, making it easy to pour your freshly brewed coffee without any spills. The lid is BPA/BPS free, ensuring that no plastic comes into contact with your hot coffee or tea during steeping. This feature is especially important for those who are health conscious and prefer non-toxic kitchenware. 4. Easy to clean and eco-friendly. One of the biggest hassles with many coffee makers is the cleanup process. Fortunately, the Kona French Press is dishwasher safe, making it incredibly easy to maintain. The detachable stainless steel filter system can be cleaned with just a few quick rinses, and the entire unit is compact and portable enough to take with you on trips. Whether you're camping, traveling, or simply looking for a space-saving coffee maker for your office, the Kona French Press is the perfect portable brewing companion. As a non-electric coffee maker, it's also eco-friendly. You won't be wasting electricity or using single-use coffee pods, which makes the Kona French Press an environmentally conscious choice. Number 5. Versatile brewing options. While the Kona French Press is ideal for brewing hot coffee, it's also versatile enough to brew cold iced coffee and iced tea during the summer months. Simply adjust your brewing method, and you can enjoy a variety of beverages with the same coffee press. This versatility makes it a year-round essential for coffee lovers who enjoy experimenting with different brewing techniques. Reusable stainless steel filter. Unlike cheaper French presses that come with plastic or rubber parts, the Kona French Press features a robust 3-piece stainless steel infuser filter system. This design ensures that no unwanted flavors are introduced into your coffee, allowing you to enjoy the pure, unadulterated taste of your beans. Durable, borosilicate glass carafe. The glass carafe is made from high-quality borosilicate glass, which is known for its resistance to extreme temperature changes. This ensures that the glass won't crack or shatter, even if you pour boiling water into it. Large, comfortable handle. The sturdy handle is designed for effortless pouring, making it easy to serve your coffee without any mess. Stylish black shell. The black insulated shell not only looks modern, but also adds a layer of protection to the glass carafe, making it more durable than traditional French presses. Who is the Kona French Press coffee maker for? The Kona French Press is perfect for anyone who loves rich, flavorful coffee and wants to enjoy it with minimal hassle. Whether you're a seasoned coffee aficionado or just starting your journey into the world of gourmet coffee, this French press is designed to meet your needs. Its durable construction and stylish design make it a great gift for coffee lovers, whether it's for a birthday, Christmas, or any other special occasion. Plus, its compact size and portability make it ideal for people who like to brew their own coffee while traveling or camping. Final thoughts. Is the Kona French Press worth it? In a world full of expensive and complicated coffee machines, the Kona French Press coffee maker stands out as a simple, elegant, and effective way to brew the perfect cup of coffee. Its durable design, ease of use, and superior flavor extraction make it a must-have for anyone serious about their coffee. Whether you're at home or on the go, the Kona French Press delivers a consistently excellent cup of coffee with every brew. So why wait? Scroll up and order now to start enjoying cafe-quality coffee in the comfort of your own home. If you enjoyed this review, like the video and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth reviews.